Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Vera here as always and as usual. Guys, in today's episode I am here to speak to wisdom, to speak word. You know, this is the kind of video that you watch, next thing you be like in the comment section, preach on, sis. I'm here to give you the gospel that will transform your life, that will transform your business, that will transform your channel, that will do everything positive in your life. All right, so I'm talking about the 5 lessons I learned from Wode Maya while he was in my city. In case you do not know, Wode Maya is a Ghanaian YouTuber who is hell-bent on telling the African stories. He pushes the African positive narrative to the world. He lets the whole world know that there is more to Africa other than mud houses, children hanging on trees, wild animals, starving children, naked children, and all that. No, there is a whole lot of things going right here in Africa, done by Africans. All right. So this is what Wode Maya does, just like I am here telling you that there is more in the southeastern part of Nigeria, right? So recently he was in my city and we linked up, we worked closely together for the number of days he was here. And while we worked together, there were a lot of things he taught me, and I felt it's wise to share with you guys, you know, to inspire a lot of people, especially YouTubers, content creators, business owners, and people who are looking to level up their lives. So if you're looking to level up your life, your personal life, your business life, your YouTube channel, whatever thing, if you're in the level up season, this video is definitely for you, because you're going to learn a whole lot of things and useful tips that would help you like from 0 to 100. All right, so before we get into that video, guys, I want to appeal to you to please subscribe to my channel. Subscription is so free. All you need to do is just hit that red subscribe button. If you like, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop new videos. Like this video, share it, and drop your comments. Guys, I love reading comments. Like after subscription, the next thing I love on YouTube is reading comments. And guys, you know I reply your comments because your comment helps me give me insights on how to serve you, helps me converse with you guys, know you more, and make friends. That is why we are here. This is a social media platform as well. All right, so go back and subscribe to the channel so that we can get into the video. That is how we do things here. All right, okay guys, so without further ado, we are here to share the 5 lessons Wode Maya taught me while he was in Enugu. Number 1 lesson is to have a disciplined work ethic. If you know Wode Maya very well, or even briefly, you know that he's a very jovial human being. He's so playful, he's so cheerful, he's so energetic. Like he plays on a normal day. When you see Wode Maya, you're going to tag him an unserious human being, like, you know. But once it's work, Wode Maya means business. Wode Maya turns to Richard Quest. Quest means business, but in this case, Maya means business. When he says I'm going for 100% standard of a thing, once he's trying to make a video and he's like, look at the standard I want this video to be, but the man is not going to step down to this point or even to this point. No, he makes sure he brings in his best. He's out there, he means business. Whether it's him talking or presenting a show or presenting whatever, whether it's him telling his camera guy, this is how I want you to roll at this time, or telling the person he's interviewing, this is how I want you to face, this is what I want you to say, this is how, you know, he makes sure that everything is on point. And this is what I feel a lot of us lack. A lot of us do not know where to draw the line between business and pleasure. A lot of us mingle the thing or model the thing up, and when you model things up like this, it's going to give you an ineffective result, or a result you're not looking out for. Okay, but what it means business when it comes to business, and that is what I want a lot of us to learn. So whatever it is you are doing, just know when to draw the line. Wode could be joking with you right now, and once he tells you that we are filming by 12, once it's 12, he's into the game, he's doing what he wants to do. He's like, his persona changes. Like he could be smiling. All right guys, welcome back. This is Ayama. You know, that the switch is something I like, and he is always goal oriented. Whatever it is he wants to achieve, he works towards it and achieves it and goes. So now moving away from that, the number 2 lesson I learned from him is to shamelessly promote your brand, shamelessly promote your channel, shamelessly promote your products, shamelessly promote your person. Wode Maya preaches his channel like gospel. If you see Wode Maya carrying something, or if it's not Bible, even if it's Bible, I'm sure inside that Bible there's a flyer saying Wode Maya's channel, subscribe to that channel. And this guy has over 600,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel. Let me put this in perspective so you understand me very well. Over here on YouTube, a lot of us creators, once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we are like, oh, at last, thank God, I have reached their father, their daddies. I mean, what am I promoting again? Because once you hit 1,000 subscribers here, we are eligible to be monetized. So that is when you start running ads and all that. And a lot of us see that as goal. A lot of us see that as the zenith of the, like, that is the height of, like, who am I, who I be. Okay, and a lot of us tend to water down our efforts because we've gotten what we wanted, and you know, we are just here, we are here. So but I'm here to tell you today that no, do not get too comfortable with that 1,000 subscribers. Do not get too comfortable with that one supermarket you have. Do not get too comfortable with the number of products you are currently producing. You can do more. Shamelessly promote your brand. You know how Gala people carry their gal on their head? That is how Wode Maya carries his channel, and that is how I want you to start carrying your own channel. Okay, preach it. Once you meet Wode Maya, see, let me tell you something. Once you meet him, the first thing he does is to introduce himself, tell what he does, start preaching his business to you. Oh, I'm a YouTuber, this, that, check that out. Once you are checking out, subscribe. Once you're subscribing, the number is growing. Because the truth is, this kind of business we do, it's a business that runs on the number currency. That is just it. The currency a lot of people understand, the language a lot of people understand on this platform is numbers. A lot of people will respect you. Brands might come to you simply because of the number of subscribers or views you rake in. That is number. People may not talk to you because you have the lesser number. So he understands this thing, and he's always doing that. Another example I'm going to share with you guys is on Facebook. Facebook is like the most popular platform, social media platform on earth. They have over 1 billion users, but Facebook still run adverts. There are apps you open, you see the advert running. Sign up on Facebook, it is free. You can either do that with your cell phone number or your email address. They don't talk, but there's this ad that shows there. Facebook, like, hasn't Facebook gotten a lot of people that, what are they still running ads for? No, they have a goal, they have a mission, and perhaps their mission could be that every living soul on earth would be a Facebook user or have a Facebook account, and that is why they are not relenting on their publicity thing. And this is what Wode Maya is doing with his channel. Ordinarily he could have rested, because here in Africa, having that amount of subscribers is a huge deal. You're almost like the president of your country. All right, I'm kidding, but yeah, you're almost like the president of your country. He, like, it is in his right, he has every right to relax, that I've reached the height of it, but he's not relaxing, he's not relenting. He's working towards 700,000, and after that he's working on to the next goal. And that is what I want you to do, and that is what I'm doing. So if you watch this video to this point, please, Biko, I'm not speaking Igbo, Biko, subscribe to my channel, help me hit 10,000. From there we'll take it up to the next point. All right, so talk about shamelessly promoting. There are also a lot of us content creators, and when you go to their other social media platforms, you barely notice that they are content creators. They do not drop links of their videos there. They do not drop snippets of their videos there. They do not even drop trailers. Nothing. How do you expect to grow? How do you want to grow? Like how? Sis, I don't understand. Once you get to Wode Maya's Instagram page, it's all about his business, which is his YouTube channel. You don't even need a prophet to say to tell that this guy is a content creator. When you get to his story, it's all about his channel. It's either he's dropping new video, or he's asking you guys to subscribe, or he's, you know, it's just something about his business. So there is no shame. You cannot shame the shameless when it comes to Wode Maya and promoting his channel. So that is what I want you all to do, and that is what I'm also doing. You cannot shame me when it comes to that. Of course, if you look at my Instagram page, it's all about my channel, because this is the business that feeds me. All right, so shamelessly carry your product, your business, wherever. Even if nobody is listening, keep doing it. One day people will pay attention. Moving over from number 2, the next thing you do, the next lesson I learned, and I want you all to learn, is this saying that the video made popular:
we rise by lifting others.
Yes, there's also another saying that says, if you want to go fast, if you want to go fast, you go alone. If you want to go far, you go with people. And this typifies the Wode Maya brand. Wode Maya understood these two sayings, and he's applying it, and it is working for him. Okay, what am I saying? Wode Maya is so popular not because he tells the African stories, no, but because he works with other content creators. Once he gets to a state, he works with the content creators there. And one thing you should know is this: collaboration is the new competition. Even if the next person you're collaborating is giving you just 1 subscribers, it's a whole lot of things. You that is watching this video, you might be so stubborn, I don't want to subscribe to my channel. Imagine what it takes for another human being like you to hit the red subscribe button, if it's so difficult for you to hit that. So it is something. Do not neglect anybody, no matter how many subscribers the person has, no matter what. As long as the person is in your field of work or your field of career, see that person as a potential business, whatever, as a place to gain something from. Instead of competing and fighting against each other, why not come together, collaborate, and you guys will rise by lifting one another? And that is what Wode Maya understands. Wode Maya is able to penetrate the Nigerian market because he works with content creators from across different states in Nigeria. Like in my state, for instance, when he came to my state, I tweeted about that. A lot of people were like, oh, he's this African YouTuber you're talking about, who's this Wode Maya guy? So some googled him, reported back to me, oh, I know him, he's doing an awesome job, I just subscribed to his channel and all that. So because we worked together and because he worked with other content creators in Enugu, some people, he has been able to penetrate the Enugu market. Some people, or a lot of people in Enugu, have gotten to know him, and some of these people are potential subscribers if they've not subscribed already, and are helping his ministry grow. Do you understand? I hope this is making sense to you. So no matter how big you are, don't think that I've arrived, it's only me, it's only me. No, Facebook still advertises. You can gain something from somebody. So just take away from this point that collaboration is the new competition, and you rise by doing what? Lifting other people. You might see it as you are lifting somebody, but once you're taking that person up, you're also taking yourself up. It works that way. That is just how the universe works. All right, so now moving away from that point, the next point is to keep evolving. Keep evolving. Do not be stagnant. Do not day your day. Do not stay at a place. Using Wode Maya as an instance, he started from sharing videos in China, telling you about places, and now, right now, he's currently interviewing African top CEOs. That is the evolution. So do not stay at a place. If you're a producer or if you make something, don't just get stuck in that first product. Don't say, this is how my father ran the business back in the day, we are going to stick to that place, or this is my mother's recipe, we're not going to try other things. No, the world itself is evolving. So grow with the world, grow with the trend, grow with the changes, and you see that your next big hit could come from those other ideas you're afraid of trying out. It is possible. You don't know where it's going to take you. Wode Maya currently is meeting a lot of CEOs. I'm sure when he started his channel, he didn't even dream that one day he's going to meet these people. But because he wasn't afraid of taking that bold step of evolution, he is where he's currently is right now. And you too, me too, can also get there. All right, so this is me telling myself, and this is also me telling yourself, telling you as well, to keep evolving. Do not be scared of change. Okay, that's when it's coming from APC. Please run, waffle. Alright guys, so now the last but not the least lesson is to be original. And for us to properly understand this originality part, I'm going to talk about it in two parts or two phases. The first phase being your personality. Guys, there are no two you in this world. That is just the truth. There are no two you in this world, and no idea is novel. What I mean is that there are no idea is new. That thing you are thinking of in your room, someone in China must have thought about it, materialized it, and they've forgotten about that idea. Someone in Malaysia must have thought about that, or someone in your village is also thinking about that, or even doing it. Meanwhile, you are still thinking. So there's nothing new on this earth again. This content you are creating, these things you are producing, these shoes you are selling, whatever it is you are doing, people have done it in the past. But the only difference is, how did they do it? What spice did they bring to the table while they were doing theirs? What personality did they show off? Okay, and that is where your originality comes in. There is no to you, like I said earlier. You just need to bring in yourself into it so that people knows and identifies this as you. Just like MTN has succeeded in branding everything yellow. Once you see yellow, what comes to your mind is MTN. So when people see things, even in the midst of other things, let yours stand out, and that thing is your personality. Just like when I took over Diana Kweme's channel, in case you didn't know, once upon a time I took over her channel. A lot of people wanted me to be Diana, a lot of people wanted me to come in and dance for them. But that wasn't my style, it wasn't my personality, it wasn't my persona. I couldn't even do it. If I wanted to do it, it would be so fake that people wouldn't even relate with that. I did what I did for the number of times I was on her channel. And you know, the thing is this, afterwards, even before that, a lot of people still reached out to me, telling me, till date I still get such mails, oh, I like your channel, I like the way you present your shows, I like the way you talk about things, I like the way you explain things, I like, you know. And this all sums up to my personality. So imagine if I had faked it, what is going to relate with me? Because I'll be all over the place, and these things fake, you can't fake it for a long time. So be original, be you. Now the second phase of the originality is try to be creative, try to be different. You know, a lot of people are doing one thing at the same time. Try to move away, try to carve a niche for yourself, because you are creative, you're intelligent, you can come up with something. There is this saying that goes this way: if everybody's digging gold or digging for gold, be the one that sells the digging tool. All of you cannot just join hands and start selling gold and start digging gold, because at some point you're going to need a digging tool. And for you to make money or to maximize that opportunity is if you start dealing or selling digging tools, you're going to make a lot of money. So it becomes the same thing in content creation, in every business area. So just be original, be you. So while you're being original, remember to be open to changes, be evolving, keep evolving in whatever it is you are doing. And while you are evolving, remember to lift other people while you are growing. Work as a team, collaborate. And while you are collaborating, shamelessly carry and promote your product, your channel, your business, whatever it is. Shamelessly carry it like a gala, because nobody can do it more than you. And while you are shamelessly doing this, remember to have a disciplined work ethic. See how I made these 5 things together, man. I'm a good rapper, sha. Alright, but these are the 5 things that if you apply them, I'm sure you're going to be very successful in whatever thing you're doing as a YouTuber, content creator, influencer, business person, an individual looking to level up. These are the 5 ingredients that would help you succeed in your channel. And I'm also applying this thing to my very self, and I'm looking forward to expanding this channel, bringing you a variety of things, and asking you to please subscribe to my channel, because I am shamelessly carrying my channel. Alright, so that is that for today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got a thing or more from this video. If you did, please share your comments in the comment section below. I'll be looking forward to reading your channel, your comments, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends and your family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, so before we go, let me do like Diana. You know Diana is my namesake. Guys, you never catch me dancing except in a club. Yeah, club. That's where we dance. Alright, so just keep staying original to yourself, and shout out to Diana, DDD babe. She's my girl. Like, yeah, she's my girl. Alright guys, till I see y'all next time. Man, enjoy.